When we reboot the computer, this is where we'll come. And then from here we can launch our applications, or we can even pin the applications to the taskbar on the desktop. Let's do that. Let's shut down and reboot the system. Let's go back to the start screen. Select the charms bar, power, and restart. As you can see, we went past the lock screen. We're now at the login screen, and shortly we'll pass through that. And that should take us right directly to the app screen, where we have categorized our applications. And as you can see, we're at the app screen. From here, we can now launch our applications. In this case, I'll launch my word processor program. And as you can see, it is now starting, and we are in the desktop. It's also down at the bottom on my taskbar. Right mouse click on that, and I will be able to see the jump lists for that particular program, if they're available for that particular program. This is a nice way to jump to a particular document that I had been working on. Click on it, and there's the document. Now I'm going to close down this application, go back to the app screen, and instead what I'm going to do is I'm going to pin my word processor to the taskbar. Right mouse click on the application, select Pin to Taskbar. I'm also going to choose my video player. Right mouse click, put a check mark, and pin that to the taskbar. And we'll do a third one. We'll do our backup program. Right mouse click and pin to taskbar. Now you'll notice that the background screen darkened as I'm making these selections. That just simply means I have the icons focus. Now I want to put the screen as the focus. Just simply click on the screen, and we're back to where we can choose the applications. Now let's go to the desktop. And as you can see, we have our icons at the bottom. We can launch from here and start our programs. We could also look at the jump lists, if they produce jump lists. Now, if you have a lot of applications at the bottom of the taskbar, we can help gather back some of our real estate because these icons are rather large. Let's right mouse click on the desktop. Let's select Properties. Under the Taskbar tab, select Use Small Taskbar Buttons. And we'll do that. Select Apply. And now look how small our buttons are. Now, for some of us, in my case, I do have glasses, so it's not that much of a burden for me to actually see these icons. But it does allow me to put a few more on the taskbar should I need them. The last thing we need to do is reboot the computer and see if it will work. But we also want to do one more thing. And this I find useful, very useful in speeding up and getting here. And that's the right mouse click on the taskbar. Go to Properties. Under the Navigation tab, under the Start screen, select Go to the Desktop instead of Start. Put a check mark there. Now this will override Show Apps View automatically. You don't have to uncheck it. You can leave it there. But it will override it, and it should, when we reboot, bring us right back here to our desktop, ready to go. Let's apply. OK. And now we're going to reboot the system. And see what happens. Well, as you can see, we booted our Windows 8.1 directly to the desktop with our applications pinned to the taskbar, and we're ready to go. We can still go back to the Windows Metro UI as well. We haven't lost that, but we do work out of the desktop. Well, that's it for this rather long quick shot. Please visit us at thetechnologycloset.com, and while you're there, please check out our YouTube channel. Until next time.